ice cream truck comes.
No, the ambulance.
Yeah.
How many of them are there?
There's like 4.
Sounds like there's
I
like
think 3.
No?
sounds like there's 10 of them, yo.
Isn't there a mom? I saw the mom. I don't know if she's dead. She was old.
Look, he wants a treat.
They're all huskies, right? Or is it huskies? Akitas.
Hey.
They're Akitas?
No, they're Alaska Huskies.
Siberian.
Siberian, is it? I can't tell the difference.
Oh, there's Alaska.
Give me.
I'm done. I gave them both.
Hey, no.
Get down.
No, don't eat that.
Get down. Get down. Down.
Why are you going down? Odin. No, this is for Odin. Odin, sit.
He's so tiny compared to him.
Down. Down. Crawl. Crawl. Hey, sit. Down. Hey. Crawl.
It's funny. Do it again.
Kelly, sit down.
I think Callie wants me to sit. Here, you tell Odin.
Huh?
Tell Odin to.
Are you're gonna give Callie that? One of those?
Down. Crawl.
Crawl.
Ah! Hey, it's right here. Sit. Down.
Yeah, he crawled a lot.
Ow! Callie.
Roll. Roll.
What she did?
Roll.
What she did?
Roll. Roll.
He doesn't like going on his back unless it's fluffy.
Roll.
Does she know how to roll? She doesn't know how to roll.
Yes, she does. Sit. Callie, sit. Down. No, you gotta go down. Roll over. Roll. Come on, just roll. Roll. Get down. Roll.
Hey, the bird.
Sit.
Down.
Hey, watch
Odin,
out!
down.
They're stepping on the birdie.
Down. Down.
Good job.
Crawl. Crawl.
Oh,
Good. Whoa. It's dirty.
oh, birdseeds are good.
This is a nice video to put up.
We should do this often, man.
Yeah.
So they could get used to each
Definitely.
other. Right? Callie? Hi, Callie. I missed you. You dirty, stinky dog. Yucky. What happened here? Hey. Sit. Down. Crawl. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, fine, Odin. You can have it.
Odin's like, Mom, this is my treat.
Sit. Kelly, sit. Kelly, sit. Down. Kelly, down.
Odin's like, look at me, I'm doing it. Like, give it to me, I'm doing it.
He's so greedy. Greedy dog.
He's like, I'm doing it, just give it to me.
Hey. No, man, you don't got a treat. I can't feed both of these at the same time.
Brandon, what are you doing?
Kelly, down.
Look,
Kelly,
you like
down.
touching bird poop right there?
Kelly,
That's
sit.
bird poop.
Ew, that's bird poop. Is it bird poop?
That's just
Hey.
a white.
Down.
That's just
Crawl.
from the ice cream.
Don't give him too much, though.
Okay.
He's gonna get diarrhea. Yeah.
This is from the ice cream.
Tell her to do something. Where'd he go?
It's right here.
Callie, come.
Odin.
Sit. Down. Sit. Go. Come on.
Aaron.
Roll over. Roll over.
You're just getting it dirty.
Ready?
Odin can't do that.
He can't follow
He
it.
just looks
doesn't
at
know
it.
where the hell it is.
He just watches it.